we are conducting. First MCQ, as you know that.
Mhm.
I think MCQ this time, Anshika will send the word file. Just you need to answer A, B, C, whichever the correct answer. You need to send the mail to me
Okay.
within 60 minutes.
Okay.
And the lab assessment. And for the lab assessment, so we have the 11 questions, lab different scenario, including switching,
Okay.
routing and switching part. So you need to do the two scenario. So I think you know, right, in engineering, how they will conduct the lab assessment, right? We need to select the cheats, like, so
Yeah.
which question you got, that one we have to do it.
Yes. So
As it is a online.
do
Yeah.
we have to pick or like how it is? Like you'll be
Yeah, just we have to tell the number before we send the questions, whichever number you want out of 1 to 11.
Mhm.
Okay, so in that you have to tell the two numbers. Anshika will make an entry.
Okay.
So once we all people has taken the two number, it will be repeated, no issues. Maybe Saundari has taken 1 and 2. Rakesh also taken 1 and 2.
Yeah.
Okay, and no issues.
Okay.
Okay, and but thing is, once we have selected the numbers, she will make an entry. Then she will send the questions. In that, we have to do those number which you have given us.
Okay.
Got it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay, and no, after sending the questions,
Mm.
and you're not supposed to change the questions.
Yeah. In engineering, it was there. If you want to do the change, 20 marks will be
Change,
gone,
they
right?
deduct some
20
marks,
marks, alla?
right? I think
20 marks ಆಗುತ್ತೆ by default ಆಗಿ.
So here we don't have any choice.
No modification, no alteration, no changes, no anything. What? Because you are selecting your number, okay? Okay, you must do it. No, if you change, you can reduce mark 20. No.
And this, you're saying that MCQs will be sent in Word file. How do we tick the answers?
Right? ABC, ABCD.
Oh, okay. Yeah, got it.
Baratkala ABCD.
Correct. I thought like there will be an option like to tick. I can just type there. Okay, got it.
Raj, how many questions will be there in choose correct answers?
MCQ 50.
Okay. And there is no negative mark, right?
No negative. 80% will be passing.
Oh, 80% is.
Means minimum 40 you have to answer.
Okay.
And for lab assessment also 100 marks, 50-50 for both.
Okay. So total 150.
200. For the lab 100, MCQ 100.
One topology 50
Okay,
marks.
one question, 2. Okay, 2 marks.
I don't know, Saturday, Sunday, how much you have prepared. I was planning to do 6 scenario because I got to do the small things. Lab, I think you can do it. The lab scenario how we have given. I'm sure I think you can able to do it. No issues.
Okay.
I think batch 1 people have already completed their assessments, right?
ಇಲ್ಲ ಇವತ್ತು ನಾಳೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಅವರು ಬೆಳಗ್ಗೆ.
Tomorrow same.
Okay.
Morning they will do it. Second half you are going to do it.
Oh.
And question paper will be different for them. For you are different and they are different.
1 hour ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡ.
Okay. Even I was also a student, right?
ಲ್ಯಾಬ್ ಕೇಳ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಡ್ತು ಯಾವ್ಯಾವ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ ನಂಬರ್ ಯಾವ್ಯಾವ ಟೊಪಾಲಜೀಸ್ ಇದೆ ಹೇಳಿಬಿಡಿ ಅಂತ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಬ್ಯಾಚ್ ಅವರಿಗೆ ಕೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಮುಗ್ದೈತೆ ಅದೇ ನಂಬರ್ ಚೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು
ಇವಾಗ ತಾಜ್ ಅದನ್ನ ಕೇಳಿಸ್ಕೊಂಡು ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಡ್ಬೇಕು.
ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ ಮಾಡಿದೀನಿ. ನಿಮ್ಗೆ
ನೋಡಿದ್ರಾ?
ಬೇರೆ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್, ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ ಕ್ವಶನ್. Okay, so last of the training, guys, as I told you that today we shall discuss about the wireless.
Mhm.
Okay, so let me share my screen. Can you able to see my screen, right?
Yes.
Yeah. How much you know about the wireless, guys? How much you know about the wireless technology? And today I will access the Wi-Fi router at my home.
Okay.
I will show you a lot of parameters which is there. And regarding the lab, okay, so I think I have 1 or 2 labs and just need to add 2-3 commands in that wireless router. The Cisco Meraki device is there, Wi-Fi, this thing. That file is already there with me. So I'll send you that. You can check the command, like what are the things, commands. Configuration is quite very easy, wireless communication. But thing is, the theory part is very more because it is a radio frequency range, which is electronic signals. So we need to understand what is the 5G, different waves, different IEEE standard in wireless, and what is the previous one we are using, what is the current generation we are using the wireless. Okay, why wireless has become more popular now. So we can see most of the organizations they are already using wireless. There is no LAN connectivity, cable connectivity. Most of the organizations they are already using this. How much you know about wireless, guys? So today I'm going to discuss these are the parameters, guys. Let me. So these are the parameters which I'm going to discuss today. So what is wireless? Okay, battles of the brands. Okay, wireless versus cable connections, wireless network modes. What are the various wireless devices that are available, and WAP and your NIC. Personal wireless security, wireless personal network, wireless local area network, wireless metropolitan area networks, wireless wide area network. So these are the things we are going to discuss today. Okay, at the same time, so once if we are done with this, so I will access the my home wireless router. I'll show what are the parameters, like what are the things we can configure there. Okay, so before I could start, okay, so what do you know about the wireless? So what is the wireless communications? Any idea about the wireless, guys? Broadcasting, computer network, or other communication using the electric waves, that is your radio signals, etc. So basically send the digital information, that is zeros and ones, using the air. Through air only we are doing the communication, right?
Yes.
even for mobile phones, right? The mobile phone also we are using. So in your mobile phone, okay, so two people are communicating through the tower, one of the tower, okay, they will connect. This is how we are going to communicate, right? Right. We people are communicating with each other and paying to the ISP, right?
Yes.
Yes. Then for what purpose? Because they have the infrastructure.
Okay.
Means devices are making money for them. Correct? I'm correct?
Yes.
Okay. When now ಮಾತಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಕಟ್ಟಬೇಕು ಕಾಸು. Right. Same thing cloud guys.
Okay.
They have the infrastructure already. Devices are making money. Only one-time implementation.
Okay.
I'll give a scenario, guys, in coming slides. I think morning batch, no one said about that. I will discuss this. Let's see how you people will answer that. So battle of the band, guys. So two frequency that care about it. That is 2.4 gigahertz. Okay, for the lower frequency, low speed, and 5 gigahertz, shorter and higher range frequency, more speed. I think you might know about these two frequency, right?
Yes.
All of you know, right? Correct.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Just I'm doing testing, yes. Okay. So let me talk about, okay. So I think you have the router, right? Okay. What does this 4 antenna, 2 antenna means? Right now, this is a 4 antenna, right?
Mm.
What does it mean? 4 antenna, 2 antenna for the wireless. So it has been subdivided into channels. Okay. What does it mean about these two? So what does it mean about this? So how many antenna you have at home? In my home, I have the 4 antenna. Same this router, guys. This Wi-Fi router.
My router doesn't have any antenna.
Doesn't have any antenna.
Yes. Geo router. They
Oh,
have not
which router?
provided Geo one. They have not provided any antennas.
And router is your Geo. And what is the name of the router?
They have mentioned it as a Geo itself on the top. Earlier, I had this thing Tenda router which had two antennas. I think it receives more signals. The antenna purpose.
I see. Tenda is hardly 200 rupees. That router from
Yes.
ACT, right? ACT.
No, Airtel. Tenda, yeah, Tenda one antenna it had, and
ACT and
D-Link
Airtel.
was D-Link had two.
See, usually, guys, router will come into the 4 antenna and 2 antenna. Okay. Whenever you see, because right now I have the 4 antenna so at my home. Okay. Whenever you see the 4 antenna, so we'll call it as your dual band. What is dual band? Dual band is nothing but it supports, okay, 4G and 5G. 4G is 2.4 gigahertz. 5G is your 5 gigahertz. Remember this. Okay.
Yes.
Okay, so same thing as right now I have my 4 antenna, which is going to support both your 4G and 5G with a different speed. So difference is your 2.4 gigahertz. Okay, it has less speed, but it has a long distance.
Yes.
It has long distance
Coverage. Yes.
coverage. The 5G speed is more, but short distance.
Yes.
Okay, the wireless band are subdivided into the channels. Okay, the channels is that in what you are these two channels. Okay, so again channel again it will come your we where what we can see, we can view your photos, email, web surfing, online gaming, your HD streaming, long file transfer, like everything whatever internet come is going to work that one, right? Okay, so now wireless versus your Ethernet connections. Okay, as you know, wireless is undoubtable more convenient than your Ethernet connections. Okay, with wireless, so user can move frequently throughout the your this one, your home or your property. Okay, or any workstation or desktop, right? This is very convenient. Whereas Ethernet generally faster than your wireless. Okay, Wi-Fi connections are provide greater reliability and your security in wireless also. Previously it was not there, they have added now. Security means it also using same thing. Your TCP/IP. It using your TCP/IP for reliability and security for wired and wireless. The symbol has given right. So this is wired, right? And this one is your wireless.
Okay.
Okay, wireless network modes. Okay, so we have the ADHOM mode, peer-to-peer mode. Each wireless mode can communicate directly to each node in the network without a VAP. Okay, we can see if there is a no network mode directly if we connect it, okay, they can communicate with each other, right?
Okay.
Or else by Ethernet cable also we can connect it by using any access point where these all guys are connected with each other. So whereas also even you can connect your mesh. Okay, this is applicable for the small companies like at home is okay. So what about the companies where we will be having 10,000 employees? We cannot go for the mesh, right? It could be very complex.
Mhm.
Hmm? In the infrastructure mode, okay, all wires node communicate to one another via a WAP, like star connection. This is how we connected. All people connected right here. How it has been connected. So these guys, how this guy has been connected. Star. Usually remember guys, usually for the IT infrastructures, most of the organizations, they use a star combination of your ring topology.
Mhm.
Just remember that. So BSS, the basic service set. Okay. So, this is a world war. Nowadays, we are not, most of the organizations, they are not using they will use a combination of ring and star topology to design the network. Even for the wireless also, wired and wireless both.
Okay.
Okay. I think you might see in the office. Have you seen this office, this device in the office, guys, on the roof? This device.
Mhm.
Have you seen this?
Mhm.
You can see, guys, when you go to visit to office, guys, we can see these devices. This is Cisco wireless access point.
Okay.
You can see these all devices. Okay. Apart from this, you can also find some other devices like Aruba. So Aruba access point. This also we can see. So they have deployed, even if you check for 11th, 12th and 13th floor. Okay, so they have devices fixed every 20 meters, because wherever you go, automatically it will connect, right? Within
Yes,
the
sir.
building, within
Yes.
these things. Okay, and this is called your access point. Okay, again, access point is connected to your wireless controller device.
Okay.
And wireless controller devices are connected to your ISP router. Okay, and they might be connected to the two ISPs. Is ISP A and this is your ISP B. Okay, so this is how they are going to connect it. And your traffic will go out. Like this access point for our 11th floor, 12th floor, and 13th floors. So in the 12th floor, we have the racks.
Okay.
12th floor. So these all access points they have fixed, because as per this thing we can see, no one is using the LAN connectivity. Have you seen any LAN connectivity, guys? Cabling connection for your laptops. No LAN connectivity, but we can see in the any cube. Okay, any cube you go and check. The underneath we can see there is a your cat cable. Have you
Okay.
seen that? Yellow color.
Yes. Office, right? Yes.
In the office, I'm talking about office gas.
Yes. Yes. Same.
Okay, because they have a lot of big monitors with
Yes.
the white phone. You can see the white phone, right?
Yes.
Cisco white phone.
Yeah.
With yellow color cat cable. Okay, so if you want the or like meeting with the international meeting, okay, so they use the connectivity for your cat cables. They're not depending upon the wireless for the reliability, so that it will not get any interruption. As you know that if you have the lab direct connectivity with the cable, okay, the speed will be more compared to wireless.
Okay.
The other reason, guys, I always tell, because whenever you come for the training, like online training, online meeting, recommended to use the cables, because wireless it will get interrupt.
Okay.
Okay, but in the office network is very good. Okay, the speed is enough, because I checked, I think speed, so it will come up to 500 Mbps for the wireless.
Okay.
Even in the wireless, I think most they are using, I think Aruba. I think Aruba networks, not Cisco. This is a Cisco Meraki device. We can see at the roof for every 15-20 meters, they have fixed this. Besides CCTV camera, so we can see this white device.
Okay.
Okay, so this is how this connected, guys. Okay, this is called your wireless access point or AP. Okay, access point or wireless access point. The device provides access point to LAN network. Okay, wirelessly, you will call it the wireless LAN using IEEE standard 802.11. The cost of the devices will be depending upon this one, guys, always.
Yeah.
Depending upon this cost. So as you can see, our laptop has got support. So 11A, 11G, 11N. The latest is 11. Latest is 16, I guess. 802.1116. 802.16. So this is Vilca Y5 Max. This is an advanced one. Currently we are using this one. Our laptop also, company laptop, Dell laptop. Okay, what we are using the laptop. Okay, so it will support 11. AAA standard 802.11, A, 11N, 11G. Okay, the old router it will support up to, I think, 11. Means it has got capability to throughput will be maximum 100 Mbps.
Okay.
Because no one will check this one, because when you purchase this thing, there are many things we should know, guys. This is where all these people are playing. They're making a lot of money there. People don't know, only technical guy they come to know. Even for, because when you purchase any wallet device, yes, same thing for your mobile phone guys. Let me remove this. Okay. Same thing for your mobile phone guys. Mobile phone support your 4G and 5G, right? Do you know?
Yes.
That is your LTM, LTE.
LTE, yeah.
Right, it will support. And some mobile doesn't support your 5G.
Yes.
Right. So if you talk about old Android up to 7, your Android operating system up to 7, it will support only your 4G. It will not support your 5G.
Okay.
The after that, I think 9, 10, and 11, and even 8 also, it will support 5G. I mean, it will support, it has got capability for, okay, 5 gigahertz. This device, guys, what we can see here, this device we can see in the office, guys. I don't know when you are coming to office. When you visit the office, we can see. I'm not talking about the only entity, guys, because I have seen the many companies, they already implemented these devices on the roof. Okay, because enough, right? No need to have a cabling connection on that. But recommended is when you have the international conference or international meetings with your clients, recommended to use a cable. That's the reason they have spare every table. Okay, we can see this cable, yellow color cable, they have fixed it. Okay, so I think you know about NIC, right? Any idea about NIC, guys?
Mm-hmm.
This is the NIC card, guys. Network interface card. So previously, guys, okay, when you purchase the desktop, we're talking about almost 15 years, okay, there is a no NIC card is inbuilt. Okay, now for all the motherboards, your NIC card is inbuilt, where we can connect your RJ45 connector, that is Ethernet port.
Okay.
It's inbuilt. Your Ethernet port.
Oh.
Same thing for the wireless also we can connect, where we can fix, right? So this we can fix to your PCI slots. I think you know, right? PCI slots. In the motherboard, have seen it, guys, all of you? Soundarya, have you seen? Swati, Soundarya, motherboard of your desktop or laptop.
Yes, Taj, I've seen the motherboard.
Okay, so have you seen the PCI slots there or expansion slots on your motherboard? You'll be having
Yeah,
like this, right?
PC. Yeah, PC I've seen. But long back. I don't remember that much. It was long back actually.
See, these are the PCI slots, okay, which shall be empty. Okay, this NIC card, okay, we will also call it as your daughter board. Okay, and this is your motherboard. And where you will be having your microprocessor and your RAM slots, some connectivity. And this card, what we can see here, it will be fixed here, can fix here. Okay, one will go to for your NIC card. Okay, other we can connect for your like your VDA, like what we can say, gaming cards. And other for your this one graphics card. Like this, it will give the option. So nowadays, these all are gone now. Everything is coming inbuilt now. So we can see directly port here where we can connect your cables. directly this port. Okay, same thing. This is a NIC card. Now for the wireless also it has come now. For the wireless, it will come with the antenna. I think recently I purchased this thing. I think this is called about 1200. You can connect for your
Laptop.
desktop. You can connect it for your desktop. We can get the wireless. The reason why this antenna has come is we can for your desktop. You can use your wireless also. Okay, same thing. The laptop is inbuilt, right? There's no antenna, right?
Okay.
Okay. And what is this device, guys? startech.com. Any idea about this device?
That we use it for like some wireless mouse or keyboards.
Yes, very good. Okay, so this is how this works going. Whether it's going to work with the wireless or how?
It will be wireless.
Okay,
But
how is
it
it
will
going
be
to work?
it will be connected through Bluetooth.
Yes, very good. Okay, it's going to work based on your Bluetooth.
Yes.
So right now, so I connected for this laptop. I connected wireless keyboard and mouse. Only this tab and pen, what I'm using it to write. Okay, only I have connected this directly. I have connected with the Bluetooth. Okay, let's talk about what is this. Your wireless NIC example, Ethernet NIC or Bluetooth NIC. So must be installed in the each computer. So this is your Bluetooth NIC. Okay, this is wireless NIC. Okay, we can see guys, you can available in the market. We can, if you have desktop, we can get this device, this card, or we can say daughter card, and this is your motherboard.
Okay.
So major function of the wireless NIC is take data from the layer 3 network layer, encapsulate the data into frames, load the frames to the electrical waves. This is the job of these cards. It will take the data from the layer 3, that is your network layer. It does the encapsulation the data into the frame, load the frame to the electrical waves and transmit into your electrical form. That is a job. And your wireless NIC comes with the various form. Example, your expansion boards, USB, your built-in. Okay, nowadays most of this you can see it is everything is inbuilt now.
Okay.
Everything is inbuilt because I used to install this. Okay, every devices. So personal wireless security. Okay, that is what we can discuss here. So wireless access point personal security. So in 2003, okay, introduced a wireless production access point in those days, right? Almost 20 years from now, 19 years. So basic security is not few high security. In those period, I think most of the people not aware of the more wireless.
Okay.
And this wireless access point designed and goal to protect both present and future wireless devices does both wireless authentication and encryptions. So I think you know about it, PSK, right? Pre-share key for the wireless password, guys. Your wireless password.
Okay.
The wireless password. That is pre-share key. You can see. Please give the and PS key. That is a password. And I recommend it for you guys every month, every 2 month maximum. Please change your PS key password for the especially for the wireless. Today I will access the wireless. I will show you like I told you about right one day. So I access one of the router nearby my home. Still they don't know. I will tell you that. That way I'll show you that. The which wireless I accessed.
Okay.
So WPA2, this is the latest one. Protect the access to the two was introduced by Wi-Fi Alliances in September 2014, 2004. The second generation Wi-Fi, where it will give the authentication TKIP, okay, where we can give the stronger data encryption methods called AES, Authentication Encryption Service. Service or system, I'm not sure. This authentication encryption. Okay, nowadays we are using that. This is also used in your VPN, guys, for encryption, because VPN is the main famous for the encryption of your data, right?
Yes.
Encryption of your data. So types of wireless, guys. So these things which are discussed now. So wireless, PAN, WAN, MAN, and WAN. Same thing. What you learn, your LAN, WAN, MAN, PAN, right? Same thing here. Your LAN, okay, WAN, your MAN. Same thing here. What are the things we have going to discuss? Same thing. There's not much difference.
Okay.
I think this is the devices connected by using your Bluetooth, right? This is the Bluetooth symbol, right? And
Yes.
this is your wireless LAN. Okay, especially best example is your home. Okay, and wireless MAN. Okay, especially for metropolitan area network where you use 802.16, which is the latest one, and wireless wide area network. And especially this is designed for your IoT. That is your LTE.
Okay.
Right. I think you know about IoT, right? What is IoT, guys?
Internet of Things.
Yes. So Internet of Things. So how it is going to use, guys? This one in IoT.
I'm not sure.
Yeah. I think here I should ask you a question. Yeah. IoT, guys, give you one example how this wireless will help us. Okay, wireless wide area network. How this help for the IoT? This is your next generation technology, guys.
Smartwatches or something.
Smartwatches.
Yeah, it is like an IoT device.
Is it I can manage your watch remotely?
Thermostat.
Hmm?
Thermostat.
Okay, what is that?
It's a device to control temperature of home.
Thermostat. Okay. Can we manage that remotely?
Yeah.
You can see this one, right? Temperature at home. So based on that, for fire alarm, if any temperature cross the limit, so automatically it has to trigger to fire the water. I think you can see it, alarm.
Yes.
That is a inbuilt. No, I'm not talking about that. I am talking about the IoT devices. Now IoT devices has come many things like your camera.
Okay.
That is your CCTV.
Yes.
Okay. Your automatic door lock opening.
Okay.
And your gate lock. Right. And your all electronics compliances. Like your washing machine, your fridge, your oven, okay, and your door and your lights, your fan, all electronic home appliances. These all things you can able to manage your using your wireless wide area networks. You are in Bangalore, okay? Okay, so example like my home is in Bangalore, so I am in San Francisco. I can able to manage my all home appliances. If anybody come to my door, I can see him, whether he's authentic guy or not. It will get alert in my mobile phone. Who is this guy?
Okay.
Anybody has seen guys in Bangalore such house?
No.
I've seen
It is
in
there.
movies.
I have seen in Bangalore, guys.
Okay.
I have seen. So one of the Reddy house.
Oh.
So I have seen this all. So even I have seen one more home in Yalanka, that is Jagan, Andhra Pradesh CM
No,
in Yalanka,
Oh.
new town. So there they have implemented this. So he can able to manage this all compliances, who has come in, who has come out. The camera, who has come, automatically open the door. Even the unauthorized person come to your door, you can able to see him. Who is this guy? Remotely, not inside. Inside also we can see, remotely also we can see in your mobile phone. Single access point.
Mm.
Single access point. That is your IoT devices.
Okay.
Where you can manage remotely. Already many house guys. Already many house already they have implemented in Bangalore. Everything is automatic. You can manage it from your mobile phone.
Okay.
Okay. So this is what guys. Next generation guys. IoT. Okay.
Yes.
These all are the wireless devices. Remember, these all devices what I mentioned here, these all the wireless. Even washing machine also we can manage
Yes.
remotely, right?
Yes.
So your wireless personal area networks, okay, facilitate for the point-to-point direct connection with the communication device without any cabling or any infrastructure cost. It doesn't require any infra like cabling, right? Okay, one way, where we have to connect the cabling one and that. Some of the technology that use WPAN or wireless USB or Bluetooth or Zigbee. These are the things which we are using for USB connector Bluetooth devices, which I think we are already using it, most of the laptops. So connecting rate with up to 1 to 10 meters, depending upon the capability of the device. Okay, it will work. So what is a Bluetooth? It is a major technology that is wireless. Your network is going to work well. It will work suitable for the small devices, range around 10 meters. Bluetooth use 2.4 gigahertz frequency. More transmissions can reach up to 4 Mbps per second to transfer. It is less is enough, right? I think Bluetooth is the best example. Your earbud, right? I think wireless
Yes.
earbud. I think you might know about it.
Yes.
Yeah. And your wireless keyboard, wireless mouse. So your most of the smart TV is coming by inbuilt for your Bluetooth,
Yes.
where we are connecting your keyboard and wireless keyboard and mouse. They will give they will give 4 USB ports. So one USB device is if you connect wireless NIC Bluetooth, we can connect your keyboard and mouse. You can watch your YouTube channels in your television.
Yes.
So that is also works based on your this thing as Bluetooth. So Bluetooth is a high-speed, low-power microwave link technology designed to connect your phone, laptop, portable equipments. The Bluetooth name of the short-range radio frequency technology that operates into 2.4 gigahertz, capable for transporting voice and data. Okay, so it has got capability only for the voice and data. Same thing, right? So video, you can't do it, right? You can do only voice and data, where you can put your headphones. We can, I think most of your TV anchors, your speakers, they use this one gas, Bluetooth. Okay, where is going to support up to maximum 4 Mbps data range. Okay, I think maximum is 10 meters, which is sufficient, right? 10 meters.
Yes.
Range, because if you are standing, the main device should be within the 10 meters. Otherwise, your voice will get interrupted.
Yes.
It will not get recorded this properly.
Yes.
Your Bluetooth is more suitable for connecting point-to-point device, and that is AD mode. It has transfer rate up to 1 Mbps. Nowadays, it is coming up to 4 Mbps. Okay. How does it going to work Bluetooth? So it is a standard for tiny radio frequency chip that can plug into your devices. These chips were designed to take all the transmission rates. It is specifically frequency for receiving Bluetooth chips. Okay, so the Bluetooth chip guys look like these guys. I think it is manufactured in Bangalore itself.
Okay.
In Alanka, you can see this. Okay, and one more device is your crystal oscillator. I think you might know about right? Crystal oscillator. That's the reason Bangalore will call Silicon City. Correct?
Yes.
So a crystal oscillator gas, this is used for the defense. Okay, and also I think you might know about this one, right? You know about these devices, guys? This all the devices chipset well manufacturing in Bangalore gas.
Okay.
You know about these devices, guys?
No.
Cathode ray tube.
Okay, what is CRO?
Oscillator. Cathode ray oscillator.
Cathode ray oscilloscope. Cathode ray tube, cathode ray oscilloscope. So most of the guys, do you know where it is used? CRO?
Measure signals amplitude frequency.
Sorry?
To measure signals amplitude and frequency.
Okay, very good for your signals like your all electronics components, right?
Okay.
Right? Then what else it is used? Electronic components like your resistor, rectifier, okay, your logic gates. And where it is used in the hospitals, guys? Have seen it is used in hospitals?
Graphs.
It is connected for the heartbeat, guys.
Heartbeat.
It will come right like this, like this. Have seen?
ECG.
Yes. ECG.
Okay. Ing bandre ಏನರ್ಥ? Straight line.
ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಟ್ರು.
Okay. So there it is used here, cathode ray oscilloscope gas. Okay. Okay. So because you know how I know more details is one of my friend. So right from a childhood friend. So he worked in this Alanka company. Now it is Selectron or some, they have changed the name. So this is the US based company. So this is how the Bangalore became the Silicon City. Okay, this I heard in 1999 when he was working there. he was this production engineer. He told me that these devices. So we were using in my engineering guys, in my diploma in computer science. Okay, so I was using this CRT and CRO to check your resistor, your this thing, your rectifier, to check the signals for the devices. For the small components, we'll check where we can see the signals. Anyhow, so just that additional information, guys. Just I remember, just to I explained to you. So these chips were designed to take all your information and transport it to the special frequency received by the Bluetooth. So these Bluetooth chip, it will receive this all information and transport into their special frequency received from your Bluetooth chip. This will does the job. Okay. So wireless local LAN. So we can see this is your wireless gas, which is connected for your internet, which will share your all, whether it in the wired or wireless. Okay. So this inform LAN within the limited, like your home, school, and your computer lab. I think best example at your home, right? Okay, we are using this one. Okay, so wide area LAN technology, Wi-Fi, wireless fidelity, right? Wi-Fi means your wireless infinity and wireless fidelity gas. Range up to 100 meters. Okay, this often used in the cities, connecting the network into 2 or more building without any wide links. Means up to 100 meters we can see, because at your office gas, so every I think 20 meters I guess. So every 20 meters we can see this access point of the roof. When you visit the office, please see at the top of the roof, you can see everything they have fixed there. Every 20 meters, because wherever you take your laptop, automatically it will shift your Wi-Fi. Okay, when even if you go for different floor, so automatically if you enter, it will get connect. Okay, so now Wi-Fi is a popular technology that allows electronics device to exchange the data wirelessly using the radio signals over the computers, including internet connection. So including internet, not only this internet, it will share the allow the end user devices within the network range to access your data you are sending or receiving. Okay. So your Wi-Fi network has the limited range. Okay, your wireless access has got your limited range. So a typical wireless access point use 802.B or EAG with your stock antenna. Might have range up to 32 or 95 meters.
Okay.
It's depending upon device, guys. So this is quite very important, guys. So wireless fidelity standards. And right now, guys, I think most still people they are using this is the old one, 802.11. Okay, maximum throughput is 2 Mbps. It works up to 150 meters feet. So 11B maximum throughput 11 Mbps. So maximum distance is your 300 feet.
300 feet.
Yeah. So now if we check about latest one, okay, A, okay, B and G. Okay, this is what we are using nowadays, guys. EAG, N and AX. Okay, Wi-Fi Max it support 16. 802.16. Okay, so G maximum throughput 54 Mbps. 300 feet. The latest Wi-Fi 6 use 802.11 AX standard. And this is quite very important, guys. Nowadays we are using almost all these. Okay. That's the reason. So even if you take the Apple phone and Apple laptop, okay. One more thing I want to add here, which I forgot to tell you, which is very important in this chipset here. Guys, these devices, okay, on those days, my friend, he told about the 5G. I remember this 1999, guys. Even I don't know what is the long form of 5G. What is 5G?
Fifth generation.
Fifth generation. On those I don't know. You told about, okay, we are using the internet. So internet means in those days, I think coaxial cable are used.
Okay.
I think coaxial cable, you know, right? Coaxial cable, it is used for your dish wire.
Mhm.
Through that, we are using the internet. He told about, so this crystal oscillator, okay, especially they are also used for this Bluetooth wireless accessing, even for the 5G also support. Means what I'm trying to say is, so this technology already, okay. So these technology guys already 20 years ago, they already developed.
Okay.
Means slowly they will introduce advanced one, so that they can generate revenue from it. If you what are the technology they have developed in R&D, okay, everything they release in the market, then after that, who is going to buy those devices after that? Slowly. You understood that what I'm trying to say?
Yeah.
ಈಗ ಎಲ್ಲ ಒಂದೇ ಸರಿ ಟೆಕ್ನಾಲಜಿ ಡೆವಲಪ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ಟೆಕ್ನಾಲಜಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ಸರ್ ಒಂದೇ ಸರಿ ಕೊಟ್ಬಿಟ್ರೆ they will go mad,
Yes.
right? Same, because if I ask you for, even for me also, please, there's a one a big network, okay, so please can you go and configure with the IPv6? For me it takes a lot of time.
Yes.
I need to go through the IPv6 concept of details. It takes time. Okay, that is still IPv6 most people are, because we are very easy to implement the IPv4 addressing concept. We can understand very easily. So what about 128 IP addressing? Difficult, right, to implement. So that is a technology already developed, guys. 2015 technology already, it has been developed now. Now we are in 2022. Okay, in 2015 technology already is there.
Okay.
So even my friend, he said on those days, so like video calling. He told me those days. I was stuck because in the pictures movies like automatic, like some pictures like directly video calling.
Yes.
How it is possible, man? How video calling is possible? Only we can make the calls. Okay, that too, 1 rupee coin we have to put. How it is possible for the video calling? He told me on those days.
Okay.
Means technology already developed, guys.
Okay.
Another 20, 30, 40 years already technology has been developed. Slowly they will release so that company can generate money.
Yes.
It's as simple as this, guys. I think one of the Akshay Kumar movie. I think the best thing is BBMP in Bangalore, right? If they construct the road, very strong road, okay. After that, what is the job for the contractor?
Job. No job.
No job, right? ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರ ಅವ್ರು? They will reduce your quantity and quality.
Quality, yes.
Yeah, quality they will.
Okay, they reduce your damper. They reduce this in very thick road so that it will work only for 6 months to 1 year.
Yes.
Again, there is a movie also there, Akshay Kumar movie.
This thing, Khatta Mita.
Khatta Meetha. You can see that movie. This is the best example. Once, that guy, he told I think.
Yeah, we are using less damper in that one, so it's not good, he says.
Okay, मैं इसी रोड में अपनी सारी जिंदगी में काटूंगा.
Yes.
बना के.
Yes.
So that he can make the bill to the government.
Yeah, pass the bill.
Okay.
Yes.
Pass the bill for every 1 year or 2 years.
Yes.
Okay, if this construction is strong,
Yes.
okay, it will work 10 years. Now, what about the contractor now?
Contractor will not have any job, and even the laborers also.
Labor also no job. That's the same thing for the toll gate.
Yes.
एक बार रोड बनाओ, जिंदगी भर आपका 7th generation बैठ के खाओ.
Yes.
That is which is not required. Government has sufficient funds to do those roads.
Yes.
Yeah. Just add on knowledge, guys.
Yes.
Okay. So now wireless metropolitan area network, guys. So as we can see, this is the best example for your IoT devices, which we can connect remotely. We can manage it. So in terms of your towers available, right? For every Reliance tower, Airtel tower, Vodafone tower, decent tower, every area they'll fix it. Okay. So Wi-Fi Max is a type of wireless MAN, and it is described for your IEEE 16 standard. So this is a best example, guys, where we can see every area they'll fix the tower in the building, right? So wireless metropolitan area use a wireless loop, local loops, where it is going to support a speed up to 1 to 10 Mbps within the range of 4 to 10 kilometers. So make it usually useful mainly for telecommunication companies. For them is sufficient, right? Telecommunication doesn't require very high-end bandwidths. So mostly they are using only your telephone lines.
Okay.
Means your what kind of data is that is voice, right? Only voice and data.
Yes.
That's it. They are not going doing that your video.
Okay.
Means video means it consumes more bandwidth. It requires high-end speed.
Okay.
Okay, so Wi-Fi Max stands for your worldwide operability for microwaves. This broadband wireless network based on your IEEE 16 standard ensure the compatibility interoperation between the broadband wireless access equipments. So this is one where we can access your tower to your end user devices. We can see the coming slides, the difference between those. Your Wi-Fi Max consists of your based on station to your Wi-Fi Max receiver. Means what I'm trying to say is, okay, this is the guys, which the advanced one. The bandwidth is good and is accurate. Even it is connected to all the wireless device. It has got the compatibility. Is talking about. This is what are becoming very popular. Compatibility. The services for the Wi-Fi Max, okay, non-light stage services like your Wi-Fi short services, small antenna on your computers, connected Wi-Fi Max tower. In this mode, Wi-Fi has a low frequency range, 2 gigahertz or 11 gigahertz, similar to your Wi-Fi. Line of stage services in this fixed dish antenna point to Wi-Fi Max tower from your roof and the pole. I think you can see that in the pole. In every building there in the area, they'll fix the big towers. Okay, I think in the opposite buildings, so they have, I think, Reliance tower.
Yeah.
So where they have fixed over this one. So this line connection is stronger and more stable. So it's able to send a lot of data with few errors. So it used a higher frequency with the range reached to the possible 66 gigahertz. Okay, so this is enough speed right now because 66 because we even if you talk about African guys, I've seen come to this slide. We shall discuss about this. So in still Africa, they are using 4G. So as I was in Ethiopia, I think they are using, I think 1 gig is the highest speed for them.
Okay.
High speed. Do you know in India how much speed now? Internet?
More than that, I guess.
Sorry, this is not this thing. I think they are using 1,000 Mbps.
Yes. That's what I heard. Like, Africa, they, like,
Yes.
internet is very costly for them.
Yes.
Very costly.
After this slide, guys, I will give one very important task, guys. You must answer it.
Okay.
Because you people are the network engineers. Okay, this is quite very important, guys. Because morning, I think one or two guys, I think they answered. That too not completely half answered. I want you people to answer this. Okay, so in those countries, guys, their maximum speed of 1000 Mbps means this is 1 gig. So in India, we have 100 gig Mbps, 100 gigabytes per second. Just imagine at my home, I have a 500 Mbps.
Yes.
They are offering me for 1 gig. Sir, आप ले लो 1 gig ले लो, speed आपको वो देंगे ये देंगे. Man, I am not going to launch the satellite from my home, man. It doesn't require this high speed. Right? What I should do with 1 gig? Hardly I'm connecting, I think 10 to 15 devices when I am into the real-time training. So when I on my server, so those time I require up to 300 to 400 Mbps because sometimes they access my server. And it doesn't 50 Mbps is sufficient for me. They ask me to take 1 gig. So the reason why I'm telling this guys, still in those country guys, so internet is very expensive for them.
Yes.
Do you know internet is very cheap in India,
Yes.
in the world? In the world, India is the only country where the cheapest internet connection.
Yes.
Right?
Yes.
The reason the dialogue has been become very famous. Data सस्ता हो गया, आटा महंगा हो गया.
ಆಟ
That means
ಫ್ಲೋರ್ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಹಿಟ್ ಕಾಸ್ಟ್ಲಿ ಆಗಿದೆ, ಡೇಟಾ ಸಸ್ತಾಗಿದೆ ಅಂತ.
Why Saundarya Sweta, you don't understand Hindi or Urdu?
ಹಿಂದಿ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ.
Hindi, you don't understand Saundarya.
no that.
Okay, so this is what talking about, guys. So let's discuss this wireless wide area network, guys. This is how we are using, right? For every area, when you use a mobile, you will have the tower, and tower is connected for your satellite relay, and satellite relay is connected to one more tower. Okay. This is how we are going to connect it for the wireless communications. Okay. So every building, they'll fix the tower. Okay, your tower will access from the satellite.
Okay.
Right? From your satellite, okay, where we are getting this signal to your mobile, okay, TV and phones. And this tower, guys, what we are seeing, this is the repeaters tower.
Okay.
This repeater tower is same like your access point in your office, guys, in NTT. Okay, go and see, guys, if you visit the office, they are fixed every 20 meters. So 20 or 50, I'm not sure exact, but I have noticed, yeah, I have checked the distance because when I was giving training, I think last month, so I told one of the guy to check what is the distance. He told 20 meters. I have not measured it. So why I'm telling you, be specific of the meter, guys. Depending upon the distance, your wireless is going to switch your devices. Nearest one, because when you cross this, when you mobile are using here, okay, your signals is not reaching up to here. Okay, the nearest tower which is available here is going to connect it, and this is device connected for your satellite or your nearest tower.
Okay.
Okay, and for every building they will fix the towers. So as per this thing, they will pay 50K for this only tower per month. If you have the 5 floors building or 4 floors. Okay, so major technology of area network is so GSM, okay, global system for the mobile communications. GPRS, I think you're right. GPRS. What is it? GPRS, guys? General Packet Radio Service. What do you know about GPRS? What do you know about UMTS, Universal Mobile Telecommunication System? I think you might heard about GPRS, right?
Yes.
Okay, what is this, guys?
Like signals, which we get it through antennas or something.
From how we are getting. How many of you know about Google Map?
Yes, yeah, no, we all know.
How is going to work? Have you booked any Ola, Uber?
Yes.
Okay, now you tell me, I have given some clue how it is going to work. GPRS, General Packet Radio Service.
Address, it will take the.
How it will read your current location and how it will scan the nearest your auto or taxi. How they will accept. That is a real time, right?
Yes.
This is how your Google is going to charge for that money for the Ola and Uber.
Okay.
That is a real time. It will, but it is not as accurate. Okay, up to 10 to 15 meters, it will be different. I think you have noticed, right? The taxi guy will come not exact to you in front of your door. He'll be standing
Yeah,
before
it
and
will wait.
after 2-3 home.
Yes.
The same
Nearby location he will be standing.
nearby locations,
Yes.
right?
Yes.
Mean that indicate that it is not so accurate, but it is useful for the right customer.
Yes.
Maybe I think 10 to 15 meters different it will show you.
Yeah. Yes.
Okay, so how this is going to work, guys? Remember, your GPRS is going to trace. That is a radio services, guys. Okay, your Google Map is trying to read your location and try to search the nearest active apps.
Okay.
They should activate that app, right?
Okay.
Maybe they are using the Ola or Uber or whatever they are using it app. Okay, it is connected for your Google Map.
Okay.
If any guy is they want, they can accept or they can deny. I don't want to go. Accept or deny. If this guy has accepted, okay, he will read this Google Map. He will come to nearest to your home. Some are different, doesn't matter. Nearest to home is sufficient. This is called your GPRS. Your Google is charging based on that.
Okay.
Okay. So same thing as here, UMTS, Universal Mobile Telecommunication System. And this is best thing is we can say your call centers.
Okay.
Where through internet you are calling right, like
Yes.
your WhatsApp, Messenger, it is right, your Signal, your Telegram. Okay, through internet we are using the voice calls.
Yes.
That's the reason for these guys. I think you might know about, right? Why? What is this VoIP, guys?
Sure.
Voice over IP.
Okay.
Voice over Internet Protocol. I think you have seen this device, guys, in your office. Cisco VoIP device, phone.
No.
Have you visited office, guys? No one has visiting. You're enjoying work from home, man.
Visited earlier, we were in office itself.
Rakesh?
Yes, we were in office earlier, but never seen these devices.
It is there. You can check Cisco. Not in all cubic. You can see if you cubic this Cisco VoIP device.
Okay.
Okay. Also, they will call for. They have a course also for this. Okay, for your CCNA. Okay, and CCNP NP, UNCC, IE also. And this course name is collaboration. Now this entire VoIP has been come down, is gone, because VoIP phone has been replaced to software base. We can install in your laptop now. This software we can install. Okay, so in your laptop we can install because of this one, this guy. The universal mobile telecommunication system. Okay, where they have developed the app. Okay, through internet. Okay, we can make the communications.
Yes.
And for this one more example, if you check, so in Gulf countries, WhatsApp video call is not allowed. Do you know that, guys?
No.
WhatsApp calls not allowed in Middle East countries, in Saudi, Qatar, all in that. They are using IMO. You know, right? IMO. Because ella free ಕೊಟ್ಬಿಟ್ರೆ, so ISP how they generate money.
Yes.
They'll pay to the government. ಬ್ರೈಬ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟು ಎಲ್ಲ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಬ್ಯಾನ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ನಮ್ದು ಜೀವನ ಹೆಂಗಾಗ್ಬೇಕು.
Yes.
Okay, so same thing like Jio in India.
Okay.
Because of the government, like BSNL has been sleeping now. They are making money just for yen or miss call ge, SMS ge, they are making money. And these people are making like anything.
Yes.
A lot of things, guys. Okay, so I want to take the break now. So before taking break, I want to give one scenario before I close this.
Okay.
Okay, so okay. See, guys, all of you there, right?
Yes.
Okay. See, guys. Okay, so I want to become ISP. Okay, my company name is, say, example, Taj FiberNet.
Okay.
Okay, so I want to know what are the devices are required.
Okay.
Okay, including your network devices, and your servers, okay, and etc. What are the devices are required?
Okay.
Okay, so I am the non-technical guy.
Okay.
So ನನಗೆ ಏನು ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ.
Okay.
Okay, so I have the money.
Okay.
I want to come up with this business. Same thing in Bangalore. I think we can see, right? We have this private company, Act, SpectraNet.
Metronet.
Huh?
Metronet.
Okay, NetoNet. ಏನೇನೋ ಇದೆ. net. Okay, ನಂದು ಒಂದು net.
Yes.
Taj FiberNet.
Yes.
Okay, I am got the money. Okay, I will contact for you guys because you are the network engineer. I want to know, okay, what are the devices I need.
Okay.
ಏನೇನು devices ನನಗೆ ಬೇಕು. Okay, what are the cost I required. So ಎಷ್ಟು ಇನ್ವೆಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ನನಗೆ, connection, how I do connect. Okay, what are the devices are required is up to you, and you should know which are the devices are required. Any Cisco devices are required, which specification. Okay, I'm not telling you to give the exact devices. These are the devices are required to become the ISP. Means ISP means I will give the internet connection to the people. Okay, the pipeline, right now I have already 100 customers.
Mm-hmm.
They are ready to take my internet connection.
Okay.
Okay, so now I will contact you guys like Rakesh, Saundarya, Piyush, Swati. Okay, like Veneja, Emelda. So I will contact you people that I don't know because I am a non-technical guy. Okay, so you are the network engineer. Okay, I want you people to know what are the devices are required. okay, then you have to decide what best you can recommend devices.
Okay.
Okay, so this is a small assessment, guys.
Okay.
Meanwhile, so we will take 10 minutes break. So I'll not close this slide.
Okay.
Can you take break now?
Sure.
Ishika, and you also. Please think, I want the devices name. I don't want other details, guys.
Okay.
Okay.
You should know at least for ISP people, okay, what are the devices they are using it. I want to know from your side.
Okay.
Okay, and you must tell. And I think I can believe you guys. Don't do Google. Okay, even if you Google also, you'll reboot. They'll be having getting a lot of links, URL links.
Yes.
Okay, it takes time to you guys.
Okay.
Okay, try to use gas. Okay, I think last day of this training, I
Yes.
think you must tell this. Okay, when you want to become the internet service provider, okay, what are the devices are required?
Okay.
Because I am the investors right now. There's 100 customer ready to take my internet connections, including lease line as well.
Okay.
Okay, so then you think, okay, so I will be back